Hey everyone, just going to make a quick video about the spring retreat that we're doing this weekend and a bit about the format and what I hope to do with it. So it's going to be two 90-minute sessions, and in some ways it's following on from what we've been doing with the breathing work and the Qigong foundations and what we built in the winter solstice event that we did that was just like this. Although you can still attend if you didn't do any of those, and I'm sending out preparatory lessons that will work with these. So even if you don't get a chance to see those before the event, we'll fill in a lot of the gaps. So we're basically going to be doing Qigong and Taoist presence practices and some breathing things. And this time of year is really about the wood element and things starting to expand and want to grow. I'm quite a wood person, so I know that feeling, but it's about making it smooth really and as effective as possible. So maybe there's the thing of not being able to get going at first. I certainly have experienced that, not being able to begin something, and how we can use the processes within the wood element and working with the liver in Qigong to gently, starting from a place of clarity and stillness, which we've prepared with the metal, the water element, how we can just start to move the body and the mind in a way where it grows to how much it's comfortable and then relaxes back and has a little rest and actually stores some energy, and then again grows a little bit more. And it's all really just about staying growing, but another way, at the other end of it, it can be growing too fast can feel uncomfortable as well. And that's really been the other issue that I have had, where you come up, you get yourself going, and then, before you know it, everything's revving and it's an uncomfortable experience and it's hard to switch off from that. So these certain elements, working with all 5 elements, not just focusing on the wood element, but these ways in which we can be growing and pulsating, and that will actually affect our daily lives and how we can start to come out from the times we've been in and feel that kind of enjoyable drive from behind to start doing things, but without it being uncomfortable. So that, again, we use other elements such as the earth element to just contain it and store. And we're just really looking at, partly it's 2 different energies within us, which is the wood element is very much about short action and driving through and getting something done, and the earth element, which can temper it a bit, is more about long staying power without a kind of churning, like a kind of calm, almost parental aspect to us. We balance those 2 things and things can become a lot smoother. So it's really about taking how to get into a place of stillness, clarity, lose some of the chatter, and then from that, as things want to emerge and grow at this time of year, when that's what the energy is doing anyway, so we're going to kind of ride with that, but how to that in a smooth way, and then how to quiet down at the end of each day or at the end of each cycle of activity. It's certainly been a challenge for me, but it's really empowering and quite an experience when you learn to operate from some other aspects of yourself that can sometimes do the job just as well, if not better, than various maybe habitual patterns we've got into. So that's what we're going to be working with, and it'll take the form, as ever, as 2 guided practices really, that then can be used afterwards at any time of the year, but particularly over the next couple of months. And hopefully it's all going to just continue to fit into that big picture of Qigong and what it can do, and just building up the big picture with a simple layer and then just expanding on that so it becomes something you can understand and use in your daily life. So I hope to see you all there soon. Thanks for watching and have a good spring day.